Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. And this video we will discuss about like company in the context of Brevo. So basically company is same, we can say that company is also same as the context part, but in that we can differentiate, we can add multiple companies. Company can also be used when you are targeting the bulk companies, like you are doing the business B2B part, business to business. So in that case you can add the multiple companies here and you can pitch the company. So how we can add the company here? So there are the two way to add the company in the Brevo. So basically the first one is the import company. You can import the company in the bulk. Just have to click on the import company. The company option will be there. You have to select that and click on the continue part. Once you will click on the continue part, so the same sheet Excel file will be, you can upload the CSV, Excel and the TXT file, you can upload it here. You can download the sample file from here. So the sample file will look like here. In this way your sample file will look like. The first one is the company name. You can mention all the company name here, and the website will be appear here. So all the website will be, the company website will be, and the phone number of the company will be reflected here. So to updating to upload the CSV file of the company, just click on upload and just select your CSV file. So right now we have uploaded the sample file. So the sample file will be look like here. Now you have to click on the company. Once you will click on the company, so same as the same of the list or context part, it will ask for the mapping data. You have to choose the relevant field. Like the field is the company name, so you have to mention the attribute of the company, in which attribute you want to assign the company name. So you can select the attribute from the given option, and you can select the country code also from here. Like the country code is all not there for the number, so you can select the manual country code. So now you have to click on the continue. Once you will click on the company continue, so click on the confirm your import. So you can see that the company imported finished but contained some error. So basically these are the dummy data. So in this case these can't be imported. Once you will go with the original data, so that can be imported here. So all the company will be reflected here once you will done your import portion. Now the second part is the create company. When you click on the create company, so this is the process in that you can create the company one by one. Now the first option is there, associate company to contacts. Like all the previous contacts, you can assign this company that you are going to create right now. So just we are assigning this contacts to this particular company, and enter the company name here. The company name, the official business name will be there. Suppose we are creating the company name with the Digital Journey, and just you can mention the website here. It can be like digitaljourney.in. Industry you can select, like it's belong to IT industry, medical industry, fitness, health, sport. So according to you, you can select the industry here, and you can mention the company contact number. So once you're done with the information that you entered here, now you have to click on the create option. Once you will click on the create option, it will process the data and the company will be created here. So this is the simplest part, in that you can create the company. And in the top left you can see option of the add filter. So you can add the filter here, like according to website, according to the company name, according to number of employee. You can see the information here. You can add the filter according to that. The company data will be filtered here. Suppose exact date created, the company created at 6, confirm. So 0 company, like on the 6th November there is no company that we have created. So right now the 0 company will be reflected. Now the second option, if you see here, like if you are going with the 9 rate, so the one company is there. When you will click on any company, you will see the complete information about the company. It can be the owner of the company, company name, website, revenue. You can add the revenue of the company, like 2 lakh, 3 lakh, anyone, and you can create it at display all attribute. Okay, After that you can see the history part, Like 1 minute ago, the company has been assigned to the contact Janit Yadav and the company created. Okay. And in this way you can see the contact information of the company, and this particular contacts can be like their HR, their manager, some kind of the person. You can also add the company notes like call connected with company. So once you will done add the call connected, save note, when you will click on the save note button, so the notes will be added to this particular company. So in this way, whenever in the future you will open this company profile, so you can see like last updated note here. So with the notes there will be updated multiple option here. It can be task, deal, email, and file, delete permanently. When you will click on the delete permanently, all the this particular company will be deleted. In this same way, when you will go on the list contact part, when you will open any particular contacts, when you will open any contacts, so the same layout will be displayed here as the company layout. Some information can be different, like the information will be there for the history data, how the contacts has been added. After that note email, you can also add the notes, the same will be there. So in this way you can add the company in the Brevo. So from this you can also read the definition here. Manage the list of the company you prospects and do business with. So you can mention all the company with that you want to do the business and send your prospectus about your service or anything. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.